Hello and welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be speaking about what's the difference between a supremum, a maximum, an infimum, and a minimum. Infimum and supremum are from Latin and they do not mean the same as maximum or minimum, and I'll show you why. So supremum of, let's say, a domain, let's say A is our domain, and we have the numbers. We actually don't have 0, we have the numbers from 0 to 2 in our domain A. Or this can be applied for functions as well. So the supremum is basically as far as we can go. You could think about it as the top boundary of our number line. So we can go up to 2, but we can't go any further, and 2 does not belong in our, it's not in our domain. So essentially what we're going to do, we can't call this our maximum because the number 2 does not belong here. So we're going to call it our supremum. It is our highest value we cannot ever achieve. So you can think of it as, let's say it's a ceiling, and like this is our number 2, and we're coming from 1.999, and we're getting really close, but we can never reach 2. So that is our supremum, it's our boundary, it's our upper boundary. Now our maximum is the highest value we can attain, so let's say in this case we can actually go to the number 2, and we can go even further, all the way up to 2.9999. We can't get to 3. So our supremum of this would be what? Our supremum would be 3, and our maximum would be 2. You could also say that our maximum is 2.999, but I'm speaking about whole numbers now. So as you can see, there's a big difference. With a maximum, it has to belong. With a supremum, it doesn't have to belong. It's just like some boundary. Now with infimum, so look at infimum. So infimum of both of our sort of number lines is 0. Again, it's the lowest boundary, so we're going from 0.111, and here is 0. We can never actually reach that 0. So it's our lower boundary. Now a minimum, again, you can use the same logic we used before with maximum and supremum. Our minimum is going to be, in this case, 1. If we're speaking about whole numbers, it could be 0.111, because it belongs there. It's our lowest point which actually belongs on our number line. This applies to everything. You can use this in limits, with limits, so you have lim sup and lim infimum. It's our boundary points. So thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.